What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to transfer USDT from your Telegram wallet to Bybit. So make sure to stay to the last of the video to not miss any step. So first, I want you to open your Telegram wallet, then scroll down and find USDT. Tap on the button, then click send. You will see many options, but I want you to tap on external wallet. Now, you have to go to Bybit and find your deposit address. So, after you're in, go to your assets and click on deposit. Here, you will see a lot of options, but go ahead and tap on crypto. So after that, choose USDT. Then choose done as a chain type. You're gonna go ahead and copy the wallet's address, then go back to Telegram wallet and paste it there. Click continue, then go back to Bybit, copy the memo and paste it back into Telegram after you choose the amount of USDT you want to send. Click continue, and that's it.